What if I told you there's a lagoon where the water literally glows when you touch it, like you're swimming through liquid stars, or a beach scattered with massive colonial sugar pots that look like something out of a movie? This is Jamaica, unfiltered. We're about to reveal 10 magical places that'll make you question if you've stepped into another world. By the end of this video, your fingers are going to be itching to book that flight. I am Angela, and welcome back to Uncover Jamaica, where we uncover the treasures of this beautiful island. Today, we're counting down the 10 most magical places in Jamaica that will transform your entire trip. These aren't the spots you'll find in guidebooks. And stick around, because I've got a free gift for you at the end that's going to make planning your trip so much easier. Kicking things off at number 10, we've got Lover's Leap. This heritage site sits on a 1,700-foot cliff that'll have your heart racing before you even reach the edge. The panoramic views of Jamaica's south coast are absolutely stunning. We're talking endless turquoise water, meeting lush green mountains as far as your eyes can see. But when the sun sets, it looks even more magical. There's a historic lighthouse, a restaurant where you can grab some delicious food. The story behind the name is both tragic and beautiful. It's the perfect mix of natural beauty, history, and romance all rolled into one breathtaking experience. At number 9, we've got Jamaica's largest nature reserve. Portland Bight Center is where you go when you want to experience Jamaica's wild side. We're talking wetlands, dry forests, nature walks, and bird watching. You can even take riverboat rides through these untouched landscapes. It's peaceful, it's raw, and it's the side of Jamaica that reminds you just how special this island really is. If you love nature and want to see Jamaica in its most natural state, this spot needs to be on your list. Let's jump back in time with Fort Charlotte at number 8, an 18th century fort that still has actual cannons and armory from the colonial wars. Walking through these stone walls feels like someone dropped you into a time capsule. You can almost hear the echoes of battles fought centuries ago, and the views from up here, absolutely breathtaking. It's history and beauty rolled into one incredible experience that'll make you feel like you're living in a different era. Here's where things get interesting. At number 7 is Jamaica Giants, an outdoor art gallery that'll blow your creative mind. Fitzroy Russell has carved these massive stone sculptures that blend so perfectly with nature, you'll think they grew right out of the ground. When I visited, Mr. Russell himself was there, explaining the inspiration behind the piece he was working on. The property is scattered with these incredible works of art. Plus, there are 2 indoor galleries featuring paintings by Bruce Allen. It's like walking through a dream where art and nature decided to have the most beautiful collaboration ever. Ready for something totally unique? At number 6, we have Rockland Bird Sanctuary, where the birds come to you. I'm talking about birds landing right on your hands to feed. It's like being a real-life Disney character, except this is actually happening. The connection you feel with these tiny, beautiful creatures is pure magic. This is the kind of experience that reminds you how amazing nature really is. But hold on, we're just getting to the really mind-blowing stuff. The next 5 places include a reggae legend's birthplace, actual sugar plantation ruins on a beach, a waterfall so massive it'll take your breath away, and not 1 but 2 lagoons that will completely mess with your mind in the best way possible. So gently tap that like button if you're loving these hidden gems so far, and let's dive into the top 5. Music lovers, this one's for you. Coming in at number 5 is 9 Mile, where the legend himself, Bob Marley, was born and where he now rests. Walking through his birthplace, you can almost feel the rhythm and soul that created those timeless songs we all know and love. The energy here is incredible. It's spiritual, it's musical, and it's deeply connected to Jamaican culture. Whether you're a reggae fan or not, this place will move your soul and connect you to the heartbeat of Jamaica. You'll leave understanding why this island produces such incredible music. At number 4, Sugar Pot Ruins Beach. Picture this, you're chilling on a gorgeous beach, waves lapping at your feet, and scattered around are actual ruins, and these massive metal pots that once boiled sugar on a colonial plantation. This is where Jamaica's history meets natural beauty in the most incredible way. These huge pots and ruins tell the story of the island's sugar-making past, and swimming here feels like you're floating through time itself. The contrast between these historical relics and the pristine turquoise water creates some seriously stunning views. It's like having your own private museum on the beach. Now we're getting into the seriously majestic stuff. At number 3 is Reggae Falls. Jamaica has over 100 waterfalls, but Reggae Falls stands out for its incredible beauty and sheer size. This waterfall is absolutely massive and breathtakingly gorgeous. We're talking stunning falls, lush greenery everywhere, and water so clear you can see straight to the bottom. Everything about this place screams magic. Coming in at number 2 is the Blue Lagoon, and it isn't just beautiful. It's a scientific wonder that'll mess with your senses in the best way possible. This is where salt water meets fresh water, creating this incredible experience where you can feel both warm and cold currents swirling around you as you swim. The fresh water from the hills is so clear, and the saltwater blue so vibrant, it looks like someone photoshopped reality. Swimming here feels like floating in a liquid jewel, and the surrounding cliffs make it feel like your own private paradise. And our number 1 magical place is the Luminous Lagoon. It's one of a few places on Earth where you can experience bioluminescence year-round. When you move through this water at night, it literally glows like you're swimming in liquid stars. Every stroke you take lights up the water around you in this ethereal blue glow. Move your hands and sparkles follow. It's so unreal, you'll think you're dreaming, but this is just Mother Nature showing off in the most incredible way possible. So there you have it, 10 magical places in Jamaica that most tourists never discover. From glowing lagoons to historical ruins, waterfalls to bird sanctuaries where nature comes to you, clifftop views that'll take your breath away, and nature reserves that show off Jamaica's wild side. This island is packed with wonders that'll make your trip absolutely unforgettable. Now here's that gift I promised you. I've created a free Google map with all these locations pinned and ready for your adventure. Click the link in the description and join the Uncover Jamaica newsletter, and this map will be sent straight to you. This is your Jamaica cheat code, and it'll save you hours of planning while making sure you don't miss any of these incredible spots. Until next time, this is Angela, reminding you that the best version of Jamaica is ready for you to explore. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next one.